Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In yesterday video, we have built notes card. So in this video, we are going to fetch data from the database and we are going to display in the home section. So let's start. Let's go to home. Yesterday we used only mock data for the testing purpose. So let's clear that. Then we are going to fetch notes from the database. First, world. I need to on world wrap. Then I am going to clear this notes card. Next, I am going to clear the mock data. So let's clear this. Next, I am going to for the notes section. So I am going to create another component. So let's create it. I'm going to new component. It is going to be all notes. What should I? All notes are I think landing page. I will put all notes .tsx. Then I am going to take the RAFCE. This is a snippet, all notes. Then I'm going to use it as a use client. I'm going to use this as a client component. So use client. Then I am going to import card, note card. Then I'm going to write a function to fetch. So let's write const fetch all nodes. Next, I am going to use callbacks. So let's import it. Callback from bcrypt.js. No, I don't need from bcrypt.js. We need input use callback. Use callback. Then I imported from React. Then I am going to import use state. Import use state. Then I am going to use your callback for fetching. So use use callback. Then it is going to be async function. Then I am going to const. First, I think I will add try catch error. Try catch. Try catch error. If we get any error, then we are going to throw error. So then first we are going to const response is going to be await fetch API nodes. Method is going. I think we don't need for method. We don't need to mention that. Just fetch is enough. Then I am going to if response is okay, then if const data is going to be await response.json, then I am going to check if data.success, then we are going to return data.nodes. We don't need to return, we are going to store it as a nodes. First create a nodes state. So let's create it. Const node set nodes is going to be use state is an empty array. Then I am going to set nodes. We don't need to return data.nodes. We are going to set nodes here. So set nodes is going to be data.node, data.nodes. Then I'm going to console.log error. Let's use this function to fetch. So let's use callback. I think we need use effects also. I think we can import all it in one only. Use callback, use state, then use effect. Then I am going to call this function in use effects. So fetch all nodes. Okay, it is going to be end here. Then I am going to use effect. Then I'm going to call this fetch all nodes. Then I am going to pass fetch all nodes. Then use effects, fetch all nodes. Then we are going to write no node set. Then we are going no nodes. Okay. Then if we have nodes, then nodes.map node is going to be nodes type. Nodes card is going to be key is equal to okay. That is perfect. Let's give in world wrap. Okay. Nodes is key is going to be okay. Then nodes is going to be node. Then on edit is going to be a function. Okay. Then on delete. Okay. Just console log here as per demo console dot log edit, then console dot log delete just for the demo purpose. Let's run our server. See how it is working. npm run dev. Guys, now you can see I have run the server. So let's open Chrome and let's see. Now you can see we have all nodes, main rule, then we have main rule, then we have main rule. These are all nodes which we have created. So now our fetch is completely correct. Then let's try delete and edit. When we press delete, we will see console log. So open console. Now you can see we have delete. Let's press edit. Now you can see we have edit. Let's refresh. Let's try again. Edit. Now you have edit. Then when we press delete, then we will console out delete. Now our edit and delete button is also correct. Guys, now you can see our notes app all fetching notes from the database. So it is perfectly good. So let's check the responsiveness. Yep, in phone, our notes app will look like this. Let's check in responsive. In the phone, it is good. When it will become large, then it will divide it into two. Then here we will have three. That is perfect. In the large, we have four. So our notes app is perfectly responsive and good. So in this video, that's it. In the next video, we are going to add create button here. So stay tuned and subscribe.